Hello and welcome back to Baby We Eat. Today we are going to be making a delicious beef stew. Now here is our beef stewing meat, and here we're going to be salting it on all sides, and we're going to add some pepper. You want to make sure you get all sides of your meat. Now you could do this in a bowl if you would like to. Cut it up into cubes and then salt and pepper it and just shake it up real good, and then add your flour and do that also. But I just did mine on top of a pan. That was more easy for me. Yeah, so we're going to move on to pan searing our meat, and you want to make sure that you get all sides. You want to cook them for about 1 minute on each side. You don't want to disturb it while you're sauteing them. You want to give them a good golden brown crust on each side. Now we're going to repeat this until all our beef is done, and you want to add more oil if needed. Now we're going to put our meat to the side and let it rest. Then we're going to add another tablespoon of olive oil to saute our onions and our garlic. You can add celery at this part if you would like to, and we're going to cook this for about 4 to 5 minutes. Now I did not add tomato paste to mine, but you can add tomato paste to yours, and you will cook that for about 1 minute. Okay, so next we're going to go ahead and add about a cup of red wine to our stew. And we're just going to deglaze our pot. You know, you want to get all the goodness from off the bottom of your pot from pan searing your meat and your onions and your garlic. Once I'm done mixing that up, I'm going to go ahead and add about 2 cups of water. I'm going to be adding some seasonings like some smoked paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, salt and pepper, Italian seasoning, and a couple of bay leaves, and some beef bouillon. Now we're going to return our beef to our pot. We're going to bring our pot to a gentle boil, and then we're going to lower the heat on our pot and cover it and let it simmer for about 1 to 2 hours. The longer you simmer it, the more tender the beef will be. Here's my beef at the halfway mark, I believe so. And then I'm going to show you another part when it's almost done and I add in my carrots. And this is my beef stew when it is done. I did choose a fatty type of beef, and that's okay. You can also take the oil off the top of it. I did end up doing that once I fixed my first plate of food. I skimmed the oil off the top. And after adding in my carrots, I believe I let it cook for another 30 to 45 minutes, and then it was done. Now I did pair mine with rice and corn. I always cook my beef stew with tomato paste, but I wanted to try it without tomato paste to see how it would turn out, and it turned out very delicious. So here I'm going to plate it, and I'm going to taste it for you at the end, and let me tell you, it was so yummy. If you made it to the end, I want to thank you for watching Baby We Eat, and we made a delicious beef stew. And please, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and welcome to the family.